Hello, we would like to present you a new feature on our new product release 2018.08. It is called Additional Linking Options and it is implemented in Rotary Machining Finishing Pattern. These additional linking options are related to the lead-in and lead-out options. Now, lead-in and out can be set independently. In addition to the existing tangential arc type, two new leads are now available: orthogonal line and tangential line. Dimensions and feed rate can be controlled for each type of lead. Up until now, when we calculated the finishing pattern operation, the result looked like this: the lead in and the lead out. Now, if we go to the UI, set a finishing pattern, and go to linking page, we can see that now we can set different parameters for the leads. The tangential arc can be defined now in two ways: either imposing a width and a length, either an arc sweep and diameter. We will choose for lead in width and length, and arc sweep and diameter for the lead out. Also, we will choose a different feed rate. This feed rate is set as a percentage of the cut feed rate. When we calculate this sample, we obtained this toolpath. We can see here the lead in and here the lead out. Furthermore, if we simulate this sample, we can notice that the feed rate on the leads has been changed according to the value imposed. Here are the feed rates for the lead in, here for the contour, and here for the lead out. In a similar manner, we can set the leads as tangential line or orthogonal line. If we go again to the UI, we can see that we can select tangential line and as a lead out and lead in. And for each lead, we can set a different length. Calculated this sample will obtain this toolpath. Here we can see the lead in, and here we can see the lead out. Because of the toolpath for the rotary machining is generally wrapped around the cylinder, this lead type is a curved line. The last type of lead that we can choose is orthogonal line. In the same manner, we go to the UI, go to the linking page, choose default, and then choose orthogonal line as lead in and as lead out. The result can be seen here. Thank you for your attention.